Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the complete step-by-step process of installing and setting up a secure VPN directly on your home router to encrypt your entire internet connection. Configuring a VPN at the router level is the absolute best way to protect every single device in your household, including smart televisions, gaming consoles, and mobile phones, without needing to install separate software apps on each individual device. To begin this network upgrade, ensure your computer is securely connected to your primary home network via a standard Ethernet cable or wireless connection. Open up your favorite web browser on your desktop, click into the main address bar at the top, and carefully type in your specific router gateway IP address, which is typically going to be 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1, and then press the Enter key to pull up the system interface. Input your secure administrative username and password credentials on the landing portal to officially gain access to your central dashboard management platform. Once you are successfully logged inside the mainframe interface, navigate directly over to the Advanced Settings tab, locate the Connectivity or Network Services Options panel, and search specifically for the dedicated VPN Client Settings menu. Now, minimize your browser briefly and log into your premium third-party VPN service provider dashboard to download the official OpenVPN configuration files, making sure to select a server location that matches your specific speed or regional unblocking preferences. Head back over to your Open Router configuration page, click on the prominent Import Profile option, select that downloaded configuration file from your computer directory, and upload it directly into your hardware memory bank. Next, copy and paste your unique dedicated VPN service account credentials into the specified username and password input fields below the file upload slot, and toggle the connection protocol status over to Enabled. Finally, scroll down to the very bottom of your interface panel, click the Save Changes button to apply your new settings, and click Reboot to restart your router and securely shield your home network. Subscribe the channel for more videos.